Roadmap to become a data engineer. What does a data engineer do? A data engineer builds and manages systems that collect, store, and process data for analytics and business use. Where it's used, data engineering is used in tech companies, finance, healthcare, e-commerce, and any organization relying on large-scale data. Start with the basics. Understand what data engineering is, data lifecycle, and the difference between data engineer, data analyst, and data scientist. Learn programming fundamentals. Master Python, SQL, and basic scripting, Bash, for data processing and automation. Understand databases and data modeling. Work with relational, PostgreSQL, MySQL, and NoSQL databases, and learn schema design, */Snowflake. Build data pipelines. Learn batch processing, Airflow, dbt, and real-time streaming, Kafka, Spark. Explore big data technologies. Understand Hadoop, Spark, and distributed storage systems like HDFS and Amazon S3. Learn cloud platforms. Work with AWS, Azure, or GCP for building scalable data systems. Focus on data quality and governance. Learn data validation, lineage, metadata management, and maintaining clean datasets. Practice real-world projects. Build end-to-end pipelines using real datasets and publish your work on GitHub. Prepare for certifications. Aim for certifications like AWS Data Analytics, Azure Data Engineer, or Google Data Engineer. Be ready for challenges. Handling large-scale data, ensuring pipeline reliability, and adapting to new tools can be challenging. Think like a data engineer. Focus on scalability, performance, and data reliability. Build scalable data systems. Start your journey today and become a data engineer powering data-driven innovation.